The next type of video is a catch-all for cars that are getting out of control. This happens from time to time, pretty often actually, where a driver is not worried about his safety or other people's safety, and he's just maybe showing off or drunk or getting away from the cops, and he decides to see what his car can do. I've got a few examples of this kind of crash, and I'm calling this getting out of control. This is accident type 13. If you know of an accident like this or have experience with an accident like this, please leave a comment below the video. Thanks.
Red light. There's a lot of cars in the intersection, and we see Snoop Dogg name on tour bus, and this fool that we're with, he doesn't want to stop, so he almost hits police car, the gray one, and swerve and go this way. So here we go with the lights on. Here goes the police, and they're after us, and we're going this way, and we're coming that way, and we're in the sidewalk now. We go through a fence. We go through a wooden fence, and we come out, and I'm scared as and we're going down a way, and we get stuck. There's an apartment complex and a brick wall where there's nowhere to go. So he runs right into a brick wall, bam, hella police surrounded around us. There's a substation right there. We got the helicopters on there. Everybody got gauges pointed at us. We're done.
But you live to tell the tale.
Live to tell the tale.
Nice. Wow, thanks so much.
You were driving really fast.
I bet they were.
Manual transmission, and my tires were a little bald. I needed the maintenance on my truck.
Yeah.
I lost control. It wasn't a rainy day or anything, but I lost control. I was coming up to a red light, and the car was maybe this far in front of me. I slowed. I was coming to a yield, and I pressed on the brakes, and the truck spun around this way, and then it went around this way, and then maybe twice, and it hit a mailbox, and it went like this, and then it turned over into a ditch like that. And I was so lucky that I survived. I was thinking in my mind, maybe even the truck's gonna catch on fire, so I climbed out as fast as I could, and then there's a lady outside her house, and she said, "Oh my God, are you all right?" And I said, "I'm fine." She said, "I'm called the ambulance just in case." And they all came to my rescue and checked my vitals and blood pressure and everything looked good. But they thought I was in shock because I was real calm, but I blew over the limit. I blew a DUI. I had to go downtown. I was there only overnight. That was my first time. I was a carpenter at the time, but then I worked in El Dorado Hills, Roseville, Elk Grove.
Oh, so then you couldn't drive.
Yeah, I lost my transportation, had to get a new vehicle.
That sucks.
Yeah, that sucked, yeah.
Howdy.
Here we go.
Wait, let me stop this video.
I don't even know where to start. I was on the freeway.
Okay.
There's a car right here, car up here.
This is you?
This is me.
Okay.
It was raining. I hydroplaned it.
Yeah?
Hydroplaned it, hit this car, and the car stopped, and the car hit that one.
Oh, raining?
Yeah, it's raining.
Awesome.
Raining.
That's perfect. Thanks. What's your name?
Mike.
Mike, perfect. You want to do another one?
Cars are waiting over here.
Action.
Cars are waiting over here. This is me, I'm like, my car's nowhere near as nice as this. That was the end of it.
My accident was like this.
Wait, hold on, cut.